Ibe Mike na-agụ n'egwu na-abụ akụkọ iro ịta.
This is the story of gentleman Mike Ejeagha.
His name is Gentleman Mike Ejeagha. That acronym, Gentleman, is so important.
She's not well appreciated that much, and that's because of the mentality of our people and the way we treat our legends, you know, even in the football industry, the movie industry, music.
I remember when I was little, before I started writing, I became interested in this kind of song because each time I listened to his songs, I'll be able to write a story from his songs. So he's actually one of the persons that inspired me to become a writer.
Egwu Mike bụ egwu pụrụ iche. Ana m echeta ụwa mgbede ka mma.
When you listen to his music in the real sense, with open heart and soul, a lot will be transformed in you.
He's the only person east of the Niger that plays full law music.
City of Niger Food, Onitsha. Come back and look at 1945.
He's the greatest when it comes to Igbo folklore.
Some of the songs of the gentleman Mike Ejeagha are better homilies than some of the homilies we hear today.
He tells stories through his songs.
Even my music, I got inspiration from his storytelling, and I started telling stories in my hip-hop songs.
He doesn't just sing for the sake of singing.
Gentleman Mike Ejeagha's work, up to date, is one of the most sought after works.